Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to do a quick review on something I found in my local supermarket. Drumstick Bites. So I picked these up at my local supermarket and thought they would be interesting because nostalgia. Anyone that remembers growing up loved drumsticks, but the best part of the drumstick was the ending because it was filled with chocolate, dark, delicious chocolate. So bought this, not sponsored by the way, and definitely not cheap. $5 for this little bag, and some already sound like they're broken. So interesting cover, showing you what you're getting. Decadent dark chocolatey nugget, crispy wafer cone. If anyone cares about nutritional facts, there's none, but here they are. And without further ado, let's break into them and see if they are worth the $5. So I ripped off the thing and right away they're open. They smell like wafers and chocolate, which is what they should do. What do they look like inside? And let's see how big they are. They are teeny tiny. You ready? Ta-da!
It's literally the end of a drumstick.
Well, that's what.
Yeah.
Listen, it's not false advertising. That's what it is. So as you can see, chocolate. Can you see? Yes. I'm using a new phone, so we're testing it out. And they are tiny, and they're wafers. Let's just pop one in and see. You lucky guy, you. Chocolatey. The wafer is not stale. Nice and crispy. Nice taste. Kind of a vanilla taste. Very good.
Worth $5 good?
For die-hard fans of drumsticks. And for the die-hard drumstick end of the drumstick fans, yes. For those of us that like chocolate, like drumsticks maybe, and want to pay the same amount and get a box of 12, well then go to your store and buy those. If you want to try these little things, this one's even missing some chocolate. For those who are curious, like I was, try them one time or wait till they're on sale. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you later.